This compact skid steering loader is super easy to operate for all operators. Its powerful traction system lets it climb steep, slopes effortless without slipping. Quick hitch design enables fast attachment replacement within minutes. One machine matches buckets, forks, snow blowers, and many working tools. Small flexible body works well in narrow construction sites and yards. Durable hydraulic system delivers smooth, stable all-day working performance. Looking for versatile compact construction equipment? Messages for factory quotation.